Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. In this short Python tutorial, I want to show you how you can keep the rows which are in both data frames. For that, we are just going to import the pandas as PD package, and then we just create df1. As you can see here, we have observations between the 1st of January until the 4th of January 2022, and then we also create a df2 which contains data from the 2nd, 4th and 5th of January. We only want to get the rows which are contained in both data frames. So for df1, that would mean that we only have the observation on the 2nd and the 4th of January. To get the index of a data frame, we can just use the DataFrame2.index, for example, and then we get all the dates which are contained in df2. And then we can check which row is in the other data frame. So we can use df1.index.isin df2.index. So we compare index 1 with index 2. And as you can see here, the 2nd and the 4th row of df1 are contained in df2. So we can actually use the array from above within the log function only to select those rows for df1, and for df2 we can do the same thing just for df2 and df1 here. And when we look at the output, we now have a data frame 1 and the data frame 2 which are new with only observations from the 2nd and the 4th of January 2022. If this video helped, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks a lot and see you next time.